Hi guys, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this amazing hair growth water. If you're suffering from hair loss, thin edges, your scalp is itchy, and you want to grow your hair, check out this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. This water, I used it on my daughter's hair, and I'm showing you guys how I make it. So please watch. The first ingredient we're using is rosemary. This rosemary is almost done, so I'm going to be using all of them for today's recipe. Rosemary is good for hair growth, okay? It stimulates your hair follicles, which promotes your hair growth and also helps you with itchy scalp. Alright, so applying rosemary directly to your scalp helps to encourage hair growth. Alright, so we're going to be using all these rosemary. So the next ingredient I'm using is clove. Clove is really powerful for your hair. It helps to stimulate the blood, like improve blood circulation to your scalp. Okay, cloves helps to deliver nourishment to your hair follicles. All right, so cloves is amazing. So the next ingredient I'll be using is lavender. Lavender promotes hair growth, okay, and scalp health by boosting circulation, reducing inflammation, and it also addresses scalp issues that can hinder hair growth. So we need a clean jar just like this, and we'll be prepping our ingredients. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. So for measurement, I'm using this teaspoon, so I'm using just 1 teaspoon for each of this recipe. As I said earlier on, the whole rosemary, I'll use everything for today's recipe. So this is going to help you to promote your hair growth. If you're suffering from thin edges, if you are suffering from bald spot, if you have like itchy scalp, this 3 ingredients will do the job for you. So I hope you watch the video to the end. This recipe I'm also using it for my daughter's hair, so it's also kids friendly. In case you want to use it for your child's hair, it's a kids friendly recipe. So I measured 1 tablespoon. The later on off camera, I pour everything inside. Then I'll be adding in hot water. The water measurement I use, I did not put much, okay, I just did a little bit of water. Then I'll allow this to sit for 8 hours. After 8 hours, your recipe is ready. All right, so this is after 8 hours and my recipe is ready. I am going to be straining this out. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. If you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing ingredients that's going to help you to promote your hair growth. Okay, if you're suffering from hair loss, I did suffer from a lot. Like when I say a lot, if you are an OG in my channel, you will know that I have suffered from a lot of hair loss, and I am glad my hair is growing. My length is growing. Okay, my hair is getting thicker because of the challenge I am doing. I am doing a mini braid challenge. Yes, so if you have not followed me, I have a playlist about the mini braid challenge. You can catch up over there. You see how my hair has changed from length, thickness, and all. Yeah, so my recipe is ready. I'm going to be using this on my daughter's hair. This recipe is child friendly, so you can use it on your child's hair as well. So this is my daughter's hair. I did a wash day routine on her hair, and this is the after result, like after 2-3 days. Okay, I have not done anything on her hair, so this is how her hair is. All right, anytime I wash it, it all shrink to this kind of level, kind of afro level. Yeah, so I am going to be spraying this all over her hair. I use this to detangle, to hydrate, and also to help her scalp as well. When I gave birth to her, like her back hair, she had this redness on her hair. I don't know what happened, but ever since I started using natural ingredients on her hair has been thriving. Yes, so I'm spraying this all over her hair, just like using water, but instead of using normal water on her hair, I use Lavender spices just like this. 3 simple ingredients is enough for your child's hair. Okay, I don't really do a lot of complicated ingredients on her hair because she's still a child. Her scalp is still developing. Yeah, so this is not going to harm your child's hair. Just is a guarantee because I'm using it on my daughter's hair as well. So I apply this all over her hair and in sections because her hair is all coiled up and all gummed together. So I'm using this to try to separate, hydrate and separate her hair before I go into the next stuff. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing. I hope you enjoyed the video with me. Let me know if you're going to be trying this tree recipe together. The combination of these three is really amazing, and I'm just going to be using this on her hair and style her hair because we're about to head out and I just want to style her hair. Yeah, and also use it on my hair as well. So I use it on her hair, I use it on my hair. Sorry guys, I have flu as I said previously, so it has affected my throat. So in case my vocal is kind of cracky, it's because of the flu. I don't know, the weather is just somehow in my country right now. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this particular vlog with me. So I'm done using the tea on her hair. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to add leave-in condition. So here is a leave-in condition I'm using Cantu. Okay, so Cantu leave-in condition is always creamy. It's not the water-based leave-in condition. So that's why I always go with either water first or tea, hair growth tea, before I put the Cantu leave-in condition on my hair or on my daughter's hair. Yeah, so I'm going to be applying Cantu leave-in condition just to seal in everything, okay, and to make the hair more softer. Even though as I sprayed this tea on her hair was becoming more soft, like manageable to be able to, for me to comb it. You know, her hair is coily, very coily, so you need the hair to be a little bit soft so that when you are combing the hair in section, she will not cry or your baby will not cry. You understand what I'm trying to say? So baby's hair are always really tender to do. So after that, I went in with my hair growth oil, which is already in the channel. The same hair growth oil I use on my hair is the same hair growth oil I use on my daughter's hair as well. Yes, so I applied that on her hair and her hair has been doing so good. Okay, ever since I started using the hair growth oil on her hair has been doing so amazing. Like the front edges of her hair is growing. All right, so I am loving the feeling of her hair. Yeah, so after that I massage it in very well, like you need to be massaging your child's scalp. Okay, so I massage it in. After massaging it in, I will go in with another product. Okay, this one it's her hair butter. All right, so it's a normal hair cream that I mix avidivic ingredient inside. This cream has vitamin E inside. The cream has vitamin E inside, so I just added the avidivic ingredient inside just to enhance it. Okay, so what did I add inside? I added clove, rosemary, black seed, moringa, and I added neem powder, I added amala powder, you know, and I added this other one again. If I remember the name, I'm going to put it on the screen. I added that one as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you mix all this with your daughter's hair growth butter, your daughter's hair is going to thrive. So I just want to pack her hair right now because we're about going out, as I said earlier on. So I'll just pack her hair in 3 sections and you guys will see the coil after all. So I'm using a white tooth comb to comb her hair. I comb her hair in section. Even though I comb it small, she's still going to cry that mom, it's paining me. So I try to use this white tooth comb to comb her hair. I have a brush, but if I use brush to brush her hair, I feel it's always cut her hair. So I feel it always cut her hair, so that's why I had to switch to this white tooth comb. Okay, and when I comb her hair with the white tooth comb, I don't see any shedding or fallout on the comb. Yeah, so I'm just going to be combing her hair and I'll show you guys the style I did on her hair. Storage of the hair growth tea. You can store the hair growth tea in your fridge up to 5 days, then you discard of it. Okay, so I store this in my fridge for 5 days and I throw the remaining ones away. Yeah, love. So I'm just combing out her hair with a smaller comb, then I will pack it. I use baby packer, two different kind of packers to pack her hair, and after that I will show you guys the end result. If you watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please give the video a huge and massive thumbs up, subscribe, like, share and comment. You can use this tea on a daily basis. Your hair is not going to smell. So this is what her hair looks like when I'm done. Then I always use this her baby brush. Like, you know, baby something is always very, very delicate. So I still have this her baby brush when she was a child, a newborn. So this is a newborn brush. It's very, very soft. So I use it to brush the front of her edges. It does not drag her edges and her edges is not breaking. Yes, so I use it to style the front of her edges. This is the look she has and I'm loving it. Okay, use this hair growth tea for your child's hair. You can use it on a daily basis or on your hair. Your hair is going to grow. So I have been using this tea on her hair and her hair is doing amazing. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of her new look. Please subscribe if you have not. Share a beautiful comment and I will see you on my basis in my next video. Bye for now.